All praises to the Most High. God is the Red. Hey, God, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin here. Once again, I'm under the bridge here, servicing the needs of people. I want you to join me. I want you to see what I'm doing here, and hopefully it'll cajole you to duplicate and replicate exactly what I'm doing. And listen here, let me show you something here. Let me show you these beautiful people out here. You know, it's a blessing to be a blessing. And I want you to really pay attention for everybody that wants something better in life, okay? Everybody that wants to create a magical life, it all starts with you, okay? It starts with you, service, okay? You see these young men here are servicing people. We're helping people. What's up, baby? How you doing? You doing good? Yeah, much love. You see my sands? You see my off-whites? Yeah. I got the flip-flops, baby. It's hot. It's Africa hot out here, folks. So, folks, you know, I enjoy myself out here on Sundays to be able to contribute. God bless you, brother. I enjoy myself to be able to contribute to people because it's important. It's important to our success. And if that's what you're looking for, I need you to understand here that service leads to your greatness, okay? Whatever you want to become on the planet here. And I'm not saying that you have to deliver food under the bridge here, but do something to service other people, because that's how we get rich, based off the amount of people that you help, the people that you contribute to, the people, the lives that you make better, okay, will be in direct correlation to the success, the money, or the finances in your bank account. I know it's easy to look at this Lamborghini and say, you know what, I want this. But before you focus on the Lamborghini, I want you to focus on the service. Focus on the actions that I do on a daily basis. I want you to realize and take a notice of my work ethic. You can always follow me at Wesley $1 Million Virgin or go to wesleyvirgin.com. Pay attention to my work ethic. Pay attention to the things that I do when people are not watching. Now I want you to pay attention to the things that you do when people are not watching. What are you doing on Sunday? What are you doing on the weekend? Are you doing the same thing that 97% of people do, which is nothing? Well, not I. This is the reason why I'm not going to say I'm blessed, because that will make the presupposition that you're not blessed. I just take actions, and by taking actions, I become blessed. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go.